In this video, we'll show you how to route support based on time zones and business hours, helping you optimize your support team's efficiency and customer experience. If you've ever struggled with routing support tickets to the right team members at the right time, this guide is for you. First, let's talk about why time zone and business hour routing is so important. Customers expect timely responses, but without proper routing, you could be sending tickets to team members who are offline or not available. This results in delays, frustration, and a poor customer experience. With the right system in place, you can make sure support tickets get to the right person at the right time, no matter where they're located. The first step is to gather data on your team's working hours and time zones. You'll need to know when each team member is available based on their time zone and business hours. Most support systems, like ours, allow you to configure support routing based on this data. If you don't have this information handy, now's a good time to compile it. Next, set up your support software to automatically route tickets based on the customer's time zone and your team's availability. For example, if a customer from New York submits a ticket at 9 p.m., you'll want to route it to a team member working a shift in a time zone that's still active, maybe someone on the West Coast or in a different region where it's daytime. Now let's dive into the software settings. Most modern support platforms will allow you to create rules that automatically determine where a ticket should go based on the time it's submitted. In our software, for example, you can configure rules that will route tickets to specific agents or departments based on the time of day and whether or not they are within their business hours. This reduces the chances of tickets being missed or ignored. If you're using a help desk or ticketing system, it's also important to enable features like after-hours routing. This ensures that if a ticket comes in after regular business hours, it's sent to a team member in a different time zone who can handle it immediately. It's an essential feature for global teams or businesses that operate around the clock. While setting up these rules, remember that it's not just about routing to the right team based on time zone, but also aligning it with your team's specialization. For example, you might have a support team focused on technical issues and another team handling billing inquiries. Make sure the routing system understands both the customer's time zone and the specific issue they're reporting. Another key consideration is how to handle overlapping business hours. If you have multiple support agents working in similar time zones, you'll want to make sure tickets are assigned to the right person based on availability. This prevents multiple agents from working on the same ticket and ensures that the right person takes ownership. Once you've set up your routing rules, test them out to make sure everything's working smoothly. You don't want to assume the system is functioning perfectly. Always verify that tickets are being routed correctly and adjust as needed. This ensures your system is fine-tuned for the best customer support experience possible. To make it even easier for you, I've tested a lot of popular software that offers this time zone and business hour routing feature. If you want to follow along and set this up in real time, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. It's a great tool that helps streamline this entire process, and it's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage. To wrap up, remember these key takeaways. You need to collect data on your team's time zones and business hours. Set up automatic routing based on this information and use after-hours rules to ensure tickets are handled quickly even when your team is offline. Test everything to make sure it's working properly. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description below and start improving your support system today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.